Welcome to ItzRafiq. Class 9 annual exam is near. In this video, I am going to discuss the practical questions, some important program which may come in practical examination for class 9. In this video, I am discussing 5 programs which are very important for your practical examination, and I'll make one more video there. I'll discuss another 5 programs. And also for class 10, in next video, we will discuss some short questions which may asked in Viva. So let's begin the video. Here are the questions. The first question: write a C program to display your name and class in 2 different lines using single print statement. Means we will use just single printf statement. Using single printf, we have to display 2 lines, but both the lines should be in different lines. For that, first we have to open code block. Then we will go to file. We will click on new. And remember, you can use any other programs, not just code block. If you are good in Turbo C or Dev C, that one also you can use. Even you can use Visual Studio or VS Code. It's depend on you. And if you are using from mobile, if you are using mobile for practical, then you can use codings in C, or you can install C compiler in Termux. So click on new file, empty file. After clicking, you will have to select the languages C, or you just save the file, Ctrl and S, and give name. Suppose I am giving here program 1.c. .c, if you don't give, still it will work, but you have to choose the file type as C++ file. So I have given. Now the first thing we have to put header file. For that we'll write hashtag include, then angle bracket. Remember, after include you should not give any space, directly angular bracket, and there you will write std, means standard, IO means input output. Then .h means header file, and some other compiler, Dev C or Turbo C, I think .h is not required. Now we'll have to add the main function. For that we'll write int main. Okay, then bracket on and off. After that we'll go to the next line. Here curly braces, and here we'll give curly braces, and here we are going to write print f statement. There, now we'll put double inverted comma. Don't give single 2 times like that. You have to give double. Okay, for that press shift and this quotation mark key. Now you write your name here. I am writing my name. After that slash, that slash is backwarded slash, not the forwarded one. And after that you write your class. Like suppose I am writing here class 9. Oh, after slash we have to give also n. Just slash will not do. Slash n, then class 9. Okay. After that you will come out from the bracket. There you will give semicolon. Go to next line. Here you add return zero. Return 0 means the program compiled successfully. After doing that, you will go to build menu. In build you select build and run. Okay, or you can also use shortcut key F9. If there is no mistake, we'll get the output. So this is the output. First line my name, second line class. This way you can solve the answer of the first question. I am also copying the program and pasting in Notepad so that you can write the program in copy or somewhere, and later on you can practice it. So this is the answer of the first question. Now we'll move to the question number 2. Write a C program to find the area of a rectangle. Now we'll go to code block again. We'll take a new file, new, empty file. Now first we have to take header file, include stdio.h. Next, you may notice that there is a, in the first program the code was colorful, but here just black. It because I have till now not set the extension of the file. For that you can save the file and you can give any name like program2.c. Now it's came in color. Now we'll write int main, and first we'll declare variables. We need 3 variables. The question was to find the area of a rectangle, so we need 2 variables, int L for land, B for breadth, and area to store the area. Now we have to take input from the user. For that first print f. Here we'll ask user to enter the land, so we'll write enter the land and /n. /n is not compulsory, you can give or it's your wish. Now we'll go to next line. Here we'll read the number scanf. Here as we are accepting integer value, so %d. Then after inverted comma 1 comma, then we'll write m%l. That means in variable L we are storing it. Now again printf statement. Here we'll write another message, enter bread. Now semicolon and scanf. Here %d, that means a integer number, and we'll store inside the variable b, semicolon. Now we have to calculate the area. For that area equal L star b. Star means multiply in C programming. Okay. Now we have to display the output. For that print f, we will write the area is %d, and in place of %d we are going to display the value of area, so we'll write comma area, then semicolon. At last return 0, then semicolon. Now we have to compile the program. For the same steps, build menu, here build and run. Asking me to enter the land, let it be 5, breadth, let it be 6. We should get the answer as 30. So the area is 30. That means my program is correct. So this is the program. For the next question, this may come in theory examination also, so you can even prepare for theory exam. This is the answer for question number 2. Number 3, write a C program to find the area of a circle. Now we will take one new file. First we'll save the file. We'll give the file name as program3.c. First header file, include stdio.h. Now we will have the main function. After the main function we'll have curly braces, and here we'll declare the variable int. We'll take here float variable because we'll have decimal point for pi value. That's why we'll take all the variable as float, 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 r for radius, pi for pi value, and area for area. Now we'll declare pi as 3.14. Here we'll write a printf statement, enter the radius. Now scanf, Here we'll write percent %f now, because we are accepting floating values and we are going to store inside variable r. Now we'll calculate the area. So we'll write area equal pi into r into r. We are writing r two times because r is square, that's why r into r. And now we'll have to display the area. So printf, we'll write the area is percentage f and it is stored inside the variable area. Now you may observe that while I am using scanf statement, there when I am writing a variable name I am using ampersand symbol, but while I am using printf I am not using that ampersand symbol. So remember it. Return 0. This is the last statement. Now let's compile, build and run. Enter the radius, let it be 7. So the area is 153.86. So this way we can solve question number 3. Now question number 4. Write a C program to find if a number is odd or even. Now let's go back to question number 3 only. Suppose we have to find the circumference, not the area. Then what we'll do? The formula is 2 pi r. So for circumference we can do this one. I am taking one more variable, CIR means circumference, and here we'll do formula as CIR equal 2 into pi into r. So this will calculate the circumference. So here again we can do this one. The area is percentage f and cir is percentage f. Let's see whether it work or not. Let be area is 14. Oops, I want to give the area as 14. Let it be 14. Enter. The area is 615 and circumference is 87. So this way it work. Now question 4. Write a C program to find if a number is odd or even. We'll take one more file, new empty file. We'll save it as program 4.c. First the header file. So include stdio.h. Here we need the main function. Now int main. Now variable, we will need just one variable. I am taking the variable as num. Now printf, enter a number. Now we'll have to accept the number. For that scanf, while you are writing printf or scanf, you have to write together. Don't give any space between print and f and scan and f. Okay. Now %d, and we are storing it inside num variable. So num semicolon. Now we have to use if statement. If num modulus 2 double equal 0, means I am dividing num by 2 and checking whether remainder is 0 or not. If the remainder is 0, we will write print f %d is even. Means if there is no remainder, then it is even number. And if it is not, so we'll write else. Here we'll write printf percentage D is odd. So done. Let's compile the program, build and run. Enter a number, let it be 887. Once more we'll run the program. Enter a number, let it be 45. 45 is odd. So this way you can do this program to check if a number is odd or even. This is the answer for question number 4. Now the last question, write a C program to find the greatest of two numbers. Means we'll accept two numbers and we'll compare which one is greater. For that we'll take one more new file, new, empty file. We'll save the file as program 5.c. First we'll write header file, include stdio.h, then main function int main. After that here we'll take variable, we'll take n1 for number 1, n2 for number 2, just two variable and we need nothing. Now printf statement, printf, we'll write here enter first number. Now we have to accept the number. For that we'll write scanf, here %d and storing inside the variable n1. Again printf, here we'll write enter second number. Scanf, %d and will store inside a variable n2. Now we are going to using if statement, if n1 greater than n2. Okay, then what happened? Printf, we'll write %d is greater than %d and the variable will be n1 and 2. Now again else, if, here we are using multiple if else condition, if else ladder. Okay, if n2 greater than n1, then we are writing printf %d is greater than %d and the variable will be now n2 n1. Remember, on the first printf statement I am giving the variable as n1 and n2 because at that moment we are checking whether the first number is greater or not. Second time I am checking whether the second number is greater or not. That's why n2 first, n2 second position. One more else statement, if the user enter both numbers equal, then printf we will write %d and %d are equal. Here n1 n2. Now at last return 0. Now let's compile the program, build and run. Here something is missing, let's see. Oh, this one. Okay, again build and run. Enter the first number, let it be 7. Second number 8. So coming 8 is greater than 7. Let's run one more time. Now I will give the first number is greater one, 6 second number 3. So 6 is greater than 3. One more time, here I will give both the number equal. 8, 8. 8 and 8 are equal. So this way we can solve question number 5. Answer is here, you can see from the screen. So these are the some important question for your practical examination. And for class 9, in your practical examination, you will have to prepare for database, MS Access database, and this one C programming. These two are coming. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.